Come on. Come on. Can you make it back up? Come on, Andy. Where are you going with that little ball? Andy, get back up here. Can't believe you're going down this hill. That's pretty steep. Look at that, how steep that is. Now what are you going to do? Come on. Come on. Can you make it back up? Come on, Andy. Andy, come on. Get back up here. I'm right here. Here you go, right here. Look, right here at this spot. Andy, right here, come on. There you go, come on. You're all right, come on, come on. You can make it, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Andy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Up. Now he's going up this other way. He's stuck down there. Come on. Doesn't look any better up here, Andy. I'm sorry to say. Let's see if I can find you another way out. Andy, don't go in there. Don't go in any holes or anything. Not looking good. Maybe, I don't know, she's walking on that log. Still pretty steep. Come on, Andy, come down here. Come on. Why you climb down in there to start with? Come over here. Come up this side right here. Come on. Right here you go. Come on. You reach, get so far I can grab you. Here, Andy, up here. Andy, look. On this side over here. Come on. All right. Guess what? I'm going to have to go get him. Come here. Andy, right here. What's the deal? Come on. You're supposed to go over here. Here you go. Nice and flat. You can get in the water down here. This is where you're supposed to go, young man. You're killing me, Andy. Now he's trying to go into one of these other. Come on. Come on, Andy. Let's go. Quit causing me grief. And don't go back down this other side. See this big hole here? That's where you want to get. Don't go down in there. Nope, nope. Get on this side. Come on. Get over here. Down this side. No. Here, come on. Let's go. Over here. Come on. Right here's where I had to go down. It's steeper in person than it is on camera. Had to get him out of it. Nope. There he is. Come on. Let's go. Let's see, here he is. Don't go down in there. Come on. Oh, so this is where he went down. He couldn't get back up. It's pretty straight up and down. And he tried to go up through here, but it's still steep on either side. And then there's like a little waterfall, so it's a little gully. He would have been hard pressed to get out of there. Come on. I saved you. Saved you from the creek hole. This up here is not too bad. Maybe I could teach him to walk across this log over there. Maybe not. Come on. Stay out of that creek. Go through your doggy door. I'll open it.